Dreaming of exotic adventures but tight on cash? We've got you covered. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a bit of planning and some insider tips, you can explore the world on a budget. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, there are countless ways to make your dream trip a reality without spending a fortune. From finding the best deals on flights and accommodations to discovering affordable local experiences, we're here to help you travel smarter and cheaper. First up, the classic European backpacking route. Europe is a treasure trove of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to experience it. With budget airlines, affordable hostels, and plenty of free attractions, Europe is perfect for budget travelers. Think Paris, Rome, and Budapest, all on a shoestring budget. In Paris, you can enjoy a picnic by the Eiffel Tower, explore the charming streets of Montmartre, and visit world-class museums on free admission days. Rome offers delicious street food, stunning architecture, and ancient history at every corner. And Budapest, with its affordable thermal baths and vibrant nightlife, is a budget traveler's dream. Next, Southeast Asia's hidden gems. Southeast Asia is known for its affordability, making it a top destination for budget travelers. From bustling markets to serene beaches, this region has it all. Imagine island hopping in Thailand and exploring Vietnam's ancient towns for less than your daily coffee. In Thailand, you can visit stunning islands, enjoy delicious street food, and stay in budget-friendly accommodations. Vietnam offers a rich history, beautiful landscapes, and some of the best street food in the world. Don't miss the ancient town of Hoi An, with its charming lantern-lit streets and affordable tailor shops. How about a South American adventure? South America is a diverse continent with something for every traveler. From the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains, there's no shortage of natural beauty and adventure. Trek through Peru's Machu Picchu and soak up the sun in Colombia, all without emptying your wallet. In Peru, you can hike the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, explore the vibrant city of Cusco, and enjoy delicious Peruvian cuisine. Colombia offers beautiful beaches, colorful colonial towns, and a rich cultural heritage. Don't miss the vibrant city of Medellin and the stunning beaches of Cartagena. Don't forget the good old USA. The United States is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks and natural wonders. And with a bit of planning, you can explore them on a budget. Discover America's national parks, from Yellowstone to the Grand Canyon, with budget-friendly tours that make nature accessible to everyone. Yellowstone offers stunning geysers, hot springs, and wildlife, while the Grand Canyon provides breathtaking views and hiking opportunities. Many national parks offer affordable camping options, making it easy to experience the great outdoors without spending a lot. So pack your bags, travel smarter, and make memories without overspending. Your adventure awaits. Ready, set, go. Remember, the key to budget travel is flexibility and planning. Look for deals, travel during the off-season, and be open to new experiences. With these tips, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. Happy travels!